Guys, so this is going to be a hair review video from Super Virgin Hair, and I finally got some blonde hair in. Woo woo, and it came with the dark roots. And just really quickly, I just want to show you guys this because this, I don't know if you guys have actually like noticed lately that a lot of the closures that are 1B with the blonde, the 613, how their roots go really low, but this one does not. It just stays literally to the root. It's absolutely gorgeous. All the hair that I got came with the dark roots all the way through, and again, it's not like dragged off to where it looks choppy or anything like that. Like, there's no harsh lines with the roots either. It's very nicely blended. So let me just go ahead and put this on because I did make this hair into a unit, and then we will get right into the review. Okay everybody, so this is the hair right here. It is absolutely gorgeous, super soft. This hair has minimal shedding. This hair does shed just a little bit. It is blonde. I've noticed that with blonde hair it does shed, and sometimes the hair tends to tangle a little bit faster than when you have dark hair, but that's because all of the color has been stripped. But this hair does not shed to the point where you have to keep pulling hair out. Like, it's literally manageable and tolerable. Like, it's not ridiculous. I would let you guys know because I can't stand when hair sheds. So the original texture again is body wave. The lengths I got were a 18-inch closure and then 18, 20, and a 22-inch bundles to make my gorgeous unit. I am so not used to having blonde hair. And then another thing is, with the 613 hair, it comes with that yellow tone. So I really want to tone this hair just to make it like an ash blonde, so it's not super harsh. Because since I do have like a lot of yellow and orange undertones, like I have like that weird olive undertone, so the yellow kind of like bounces off my skin and makes me look really orange. So I'm definitely going to tone this hair to make it more of an ash blonde, just to balance me out. But for the most part, this hair is super gorgeous. It's super soft. I'm going to leave pictures on the screen just so you guys can see the original texture before I wand curled this, because I did wash it and then wand curl it after I constructed my unit. I literally don't have any complaints. Like, I love the closure. The closure is literally 4x4. It's not one of those closures that looks super small. I'll lift it up so you guys can see. It's literally 4x4. It's not super small, because like I was saying in my other videos, these closures are like getting smaller and smaller. And then like even with the frontals, I've seen like frontals where the hair starts all the way back here and you got like a whole ton of lace. So I don't know what's up with that, but I have no complaints with Super Virgin Hair with this. And I'm just going to turn around so you guys can see, because it is literally really pretty. It's full. Sometimes with blonde hair, when you have dark roots, the hair tends to get thin, but this hair is super thick all the way through. Like, I probably could have got away with another bundle in this unit, but I actually really like it. Like, it blends in really well. Now I am going to again tone this, either to make it an ash blonde, or I have been debating about throwing like a hot pink on this, or like a pastel pink. You guys can let me know what you guys think in the comments if you guys want to see like what colors you guys think I should do, because I am trying to get out of dark hair for the summertime. I want to be more fun. I want to do colors. So that is basically why I asked for blonde hair from this company to review for you guys, because blonde hair is in for the summer and spring. It is in, and it is here to stay. So if you're looking for a good blonde vendor, and affordable at that, definitely look into Super Virgin Hair. I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you guys. And I'm just going to move up so you guys can see the hair better. It's really, really pretty. And so as you can see, like there's like little hairs, but they're not shedding. So yeah, I think the most shedding that I got from this hair was when I was actually just making the unit. I guess because, you know, when you go in and you're cutting the wefts just so your wig can lay flat, I think that's where most of the shedding came from. But other than that, I don't really have any problems with this unit. I am going to, again, like I said, tone it or color it. Haven't decided. You guys let me know what I should do in the comment box. But yes, I think I might keep her blonde. And this hair is actually really, really pretty. I'm super glad it's full. Like, I don't think you guys understand. I make wigs for my clients with blonde hair all the time, and the hair quality is just horrible. I'm not going to say who the hair is from, but just know that if you're in the market for some affordable blonde hair, definitely check out Super Virgin Hair. So I can say that they are a really good vendor for blonde hair. That I can say. And also, even when laying down my closure, super easy. I don't have a ton of flyaways. Like, I'm going to put my hand right here. Like, I don't have a ton of flyaways, which is, oh my gosh. So, literally, I only laid this down with water. Like, I washed the hair and then just combed it down and let it air dry. And I have no flyaways. And I'm actually really, really, really impressed that there are no flyaways. So yeah, so I'm rambling now, but yes, check out the description if you're interested in some blonde hair, because I do think you guys will like this vendor, and again, it's affordable. So I'll see you guys in my next video.